All right. Notice no sag. All right, doing one last walk around. And then we're going to have a talk. And you notice very little ripple in the doors. Nothing that you'd be embarrassed about at Monterey. Talk to you later, buddy. Okay. Down in the trunk. I don't see a tool roll. No. Into the trunk. Okay, outside view. Walk around. Down on the quarter panels. There are bumpers. It looks unmolested, untouched. The expansion on the radiator looks good. Low to no rust anywhere. Surface at best. The liner under the hood